Good morning, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Good? Okay. Now, welcome for EVS revision. Today, we are going to do is EVS lesson 1 early humans revision. You have to listen very carefully because this is your revision video, which is going to help you for your exam. Okay, children? So listen properly. Only give me 15 minutes, okay? And you have to sit quietly and just listen, okay? Because at the end, I am going to ask you questions. So teacher is going to revise the lesson and explain you which is already done before, okay? This is for you to revise and to recollect what we have done already before, okay, children? Now tell me, who do you think these people are? Who are they? These people are called early humans. Very good. Now, many years ago, people lived a very simple life. They were called early humans. Early humans are people who lived long time ago. Okay? Who are early humans? They are the people who lived many years ago. They were not like us. Everything was different there. Okay, what was different there? I'll tell you. They don't have clothes like us. We wear cotton clothes, we wear woolen clothes, we wear synthetic clothes, we wear raincoats during rainy season, right? We have so many type of clothes. Yes, but they did not have clothes to wear. They don't have clothes like us. So, what they did to cover their body? Who will answer me? What they did to cover their body? They used animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. Very good. Early humans did not have house to live in. Okay, now we live in a pakka house. Yes, we have house, small or big, but we have our own house. Yes, we don't have to live in a forest, caves, or on the road, right? We all have house. But where did these early humans live, you know? They used to live in forest and caves. See, these were their houses. Okay, they used to live in forest and caves. Remember where they used to live? Forest and caves. Very good. Now, what do you eat every day at home? We eat dal rice, we eat different bhaji and chapati, we also get fruits. Yes, fruits are also available at the market. But what did early humans used to eat? They did not know how to cook food. So, they used to eat fruits and seeds. They used to eat fruits and seeds. They also hunted animals with sticks and stones and ate raw flesh. Okay, how do early humans hunt the animals with the help of gun or with the help of stick and stones? With the help of stick and stones. They used to kill the animal and they ate raw flesh of the animals. Okay, see, can you see in this picture? They used to hunt with sticks and stones. See, in this they are hunting with stones. Then they moved from place to place in search of food and water. Oh, they used to roam so many places in search of food and water. How do we get water? We go to the kitchen, we on the tap, we fill our glass and bottle and we drink it. So easy. Yes or no? But it was not same for the early humans. They used to go to many places in the search of food and water. They used to struggle so much, right? Now later, early humans also learned how to make fire. Okay, who will tell me how did they start making fire? How did they learn? What did they do? They Very good. By rubbing two stones together, they learned to make fire. Can you see in this picture? Yes. That helped them a lot. Once they learned how to make fire, it helped them a lot. They learned how to cook, keep themselves warm, and keep wild animals away. Okay, with the help of fire, they used to keep themselves warm, they used to keep wild animals away, and they learned how to cook food. So once they learned how to make fire, they started to cook their food, right? Now with passing time, they also learned how to grow crops and tame animals to work for them. You already know, I've explained you when I taught you this lesson. Yes? They also learn how to grow crops and to train animals to work for them. Early humans made things to hunt animals. These things are called tools. Okay. Now, you know what? Beads were made out of ostrich eggshells and were given as gifts by early humans. The beads, the beads in the picture are shown, it was made by ostrich eggshells. What was made out of ostrich eggshells? Beads. What was made by ostrich eggshells? Beads. Okay, now I am going to ask you answers. See properly. Okay, and you are going to answer me. I will wait for few seconds and then I'll answer you. Okay, but first you should try to answer. Teacher will not answer. 1 minute. Okay. First, tick the correct answer from true or false. What you have to do is you just have to tick the correct answer from true or false. Any one you have to tick, either true or false. If the sentence is true, if the sentence is correct, if it is right, if the sentence is as I taught you in the lesson, then what will you do? You will put a tick where true is written. T-R-U-E. True. If the sentence is wrong, the same word or same sentence is not in the lesson, it is not what I taught you, then what will you do? You will tick to the word false. F-A-L-S-E. Okay. So now I'll show you one. First one is early humans lived in houses like ours. Do early humans lived in the same house like we stay? It was the same type of house? True or false? If the sentence is right, then true. If the sentence is wrong, then false. Come on, tell me. Early humans lived in houses like ours. True or false? Yes, it is false. The sentence is wrong because they were not living in the houses like ours. They used to live in forest and caves, right? So the sentence what is given here is wrong. So teacher will do tick near the false. Okay, understood? Next, early humans used leaves and animal skins to cover their bodies. Now, what early humans used to wear to cover their bodies? In this, yes, you know the answer, right? They used to wear leaves and animal skins. So the same question is given. Early humans use leaves and animal skins to cover their bodies. So the answer, so the sentence what is given here is correct. So I will tick true. Yes, I will tick here true. Okay, children, easy. Next, early humans lived in forest. True or false? I'll repeat. Early humans lived in forest. True or false? True. Very good. True. So teacher is doing tick in the true. But in the exam, if they say you to click the correct answer, so your mommy or daddy, somebody will be there around, they are going to help you to click, okay? Next, early humans ate well cooked food. Listen properly, I'll repeat. Early humans ate well cooked food. True or false? They used to eat well cooked food? No, they used to eat raw flesh of animals and seeds and fruits, right? So the sentence here is wrong, and so I'm going to tick false. Yes? Let's go to next question. Early humans discovered fire by rubbing two stones. I'll repeat. Early humans discovered fire by rubbing two stones. True or false? The sentence is correct. Yes, they discovered fire by rubbing two stones. So I am going to tick true. Easy, children? Yes? Okay, now next sub question is tick the correct answer. Now, teacher has given two options here. Two answers are given. You have to tick only one answer which is correct. Okay? So the question here is, early humans learned to grow flowers or crops. What did they learn to grow? Flowers or crops? Flowers? No, crops. So I am going to tick crops. Okay. What am I going to do? I am going to tick crops. Okay. Next question. They learned to dash animals to work for them. They learn to tame animals to work for them, or they learn to like animals to work for them. What is the correct answer? They learn to tame animals to work for them, right? So I'm going to tick the option tame. We have already done this, so you already know the answer. And you should know the answer. Next question. They dash animals with sticks and stones. So they hunted animals with sticks and stones, or they eat animals with sticks and stones? What is the answer? I'm waiting. Who is going to tell me what is the answer? They hunted animals with sticks and stones, or they eat animals with sticks and stones? They hunted. Very, very good. Star for you all who are giving me answers. They hunted animals with sticks and stones. Next. They do not have dash to wear. Bag or clothes? I'll repeat. They do not have dash to wear. Bag to wear or clothes to wear? What is there in the lesson? What is teacher has taught you? They do not have bag or clothes. Clothes to wear, right? They do not have clothes to wear. Very good. Now, they move from place to place in search of dash and water. They move from, I'll repeat, listen properly. They move from place to place in search of house and water or food and water. There are two options. I'll show you. There are two options, house and food. So they move from place to place in search of house or food, in search of food and water. Correct? Yes? Very good. So I hope you understood that what type of questions are going to come for the exam. Okay, what type of options, how options teacher is going to give you. Okay, the fill-ups, the true or false and everything, it will be the same pattern. What you have to do is you have to see those videos again and again. You have to see this revision video. You have to also see the video of this lesson which was sent when it was taught. Yes. Okay. So what you have to do is you just have to go through the videos what teacher has taught you. Am I clear, children? So you understood everything about early humans. I hope you know all the answers of early humans by now. We have done so many recap of this lesson. Okay? I hope you do well in your exam. See you in the next session. Thank you.